LendInvest Personal Loan Review Usage Experience. Links to LendInvest are in the description. LendInvest is not a traditional personal loan provider, but a specialist in property finance, offering buy-to-let mortgages, bridging loans, and development finance. If you're looking for an unsecured personal loan, LendInvest may not be the right choice. However, if you're a landlord, developer, or property investor in need of financing, it's one of the most competitive lenders in the market. LendInvest provides fast, flexible lending solutions with a streamlined online application process and quick approval times. Their buy-to-let mortgages cater to both individual and limited companies, with loan amounts based on rental yield and borrower affordability. Bridging loans are designed for short-term property purchases or renovations, making them ideal for investors looking to flip properties or secure funds quickly. Development finance is structured for property developers, offering funding to cover land acquisition and construction costs. One of LendInvest's key advantages is its technology-driven approach, simplifying the borrowing process compared to traditional banks. Rates are competitive, and loan terms are flexible, depending on the type of finance you choose. The eligibility criteria include creditworthiness, property value, and income stability. Unlike personal loan providers, LendInvest's loans are secured against property, meaning there's a risk of losing the asset if repayments aren't met. While LendInvest was originally a peer-to-peer lending platform, it now operates with institutional funding, ensuring better capital security for borrowers. If you're in the property sector and need financing for a buy-to-let investment, refurbishment, or development project, LendInvest is a solid option. However, if you're searching for an unsecured loan for personal expenses, you'll need to look elsewhere. If LendInvest meets your needs, check out the links in the description for more details.